Tensions within the Beckham family have escalated into one of the most talked about celebrity feuds in recent years, centering on a very public dispute between Brooklyn Beckham and his parents, David and Victoria Beckham. What once appeared as occasional celebrity gossip has now become a full-blown rift attracting global attention. The conflict reached a breaking point in early 2026, following months of rumors and speculation. Brooklyn, 26, took to social media to post a detailed and emotional statement accusing his parents of controlling behavior and interfering with his personal life and marriage to actress Nicola Peltz Beckham. At the heart of the feud, Brooklyn claims that his parents repeatedly tried to control his life, relationships, and public image. He wrote that David and Victoria prioritized the brand Beckham, public promotion, endorsements, and media narratives over genuine family bonds. He accused them of tightly managing social media posts and press coverage, which he felt misrepresented him and his wife, contributing to ongoing tension. Brooklyn shared specific incidents to illustrate this controlling behavior. He alleged that his mother backed out of designing Nicola's wedding dress at the last minute, forcing stressful changes. He also claimed that his parents pressured and even tried to bribe him to sign away rights to his own name just weeks before the wedding, a move he refused, which he says affected how they treated him afterward. One particularly dramatic moment involved his first dance at the wedding, which Brooklyn described as humiliating. He said, "My mom hijacked my first dance with my wife, which had been planned weeks in advance to a romantic love song. In front of our 500 wedding guests, Mark Anthony called me to the stage, wherein the schedule was planned to be my romantic dance with my wife, but instead my mom was waiting to dance with me instead. She danced very inappropriately on me in front of everyone. I've never felt more uncomfortable or humiliated in my entire life." Other allegations include excluding Nicola from major family events like David's 50th birthday and imposing restrictive conditions on personal meetings. Brooklyn also revealed he was blocked on social media by family members after disagreements, heightening the sense of estrangement. As a result, Brooklyn has no intention to reconcile with his parents at this time, seeking peace, privacy, and a stable life with his wife. He emphasizes that this public break is about standing up for himself and protecting his personal life, not a temporary clash. Neither David nor Victoria Beckham has publicly responded in detail to these accusations, leaving the situation unresolved and highly publicized as the Beckham family feud continues to unfold.